Hi guys, you want to make your fabric buttons as neat as this? Then keep watching.
Hi guys, this is Victoria from Tailoring and Crafts PH, and today I'm going to be showing you people how to make your fabric cover buttons perfectly by yourself. So these are the things we'll be needing today, and this is the piece of fabric we'll be using. This is a needle and thread because it helps make your work come out smoothly, and the cardboard is to like cut out the template before you go ahead and cut the fabric out. So these are the mold we'll be using. This is the 40L, the 30L. Okay, we've got 30 here, this is 36, and this is the 24L, and these are the cover buttons to match the mold. And the tape, just because I love mine coming out smoothly and not rough. So if you want yours to come out smooth, just watch and learn and follow what I'm doing. And this is the hand press we'll be using. And this machine does a whole lot of things, but today we would have to focus on just this for the sake of this video, because I don't want to make the video too long, and it does it. So watch and learn. Yeah, this also does the same job as this, but this has all the cover button numbers that you can use to make your buttons, but we won't be talking about this today. For today, we'll just focus on this mold and the hand press. So watch and learn. Thank you.
Yeah, so this is me trying to map out the template, because you need a template before you proceed in cutting the fabric. So you pick up the mold size that you want, like the size of the button that you need. Sketch out the bottom of the mold on the cardboard, which is what I'm doing here. So when you're done, you pick up your tape and try to draw another sketch around the circle that you just drew. Don't use an inch round it, because if you do, the buttons is not going to come out smooth. Use 1/4 of an inch instead round the circle. Okay. When you're done, you cut out your templates, then you proceed to cutting out your fabric. This might seem like a long process. I know people just guess the amount of fabric they want, cut it out, and proceed in making their buttons, but it usually doesn't come out smoothly and professional. This is the part where the needle and thread comes in. So you need to make like a loose stitch around the fabric, because we need to like make it a drawstring that's going to help hold the button down in place while we are making the button. Proceed to your hand press machine, make a gentle press till you hear a click and your cover button is done. Look how perfect it is. No bulkiness, it's smooth. Thank you for watching, and if you find value in this video, please do subscribe, follow, like and share.